Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is the virtual home of my website, portfolio, and online shop. You can present your work with Squarespace professional portfolio designs with beautiful customizable galleries with automatic image scaling to present your artwork in the best way. Connect your art portfolio with your online shop with one click. With Squarespace, all your marketing tools are in one place, and thanks to their on-point analytics, this platform helps you develop a beautiful online presence and help you optimize the way you run your business. You can also connect with your audience through gated member-only content. Use the code Caro Arevalo to get 10% of your first purchase of a website or domain. Hi and welcome to a new vlog. Today's art studio vlog is about the last 15 days or so of February, and there will be a lot of client work this month as well as a lot of art studio decor and getting some new stuff for my art studio, some new old stuff for my art studio. So I hope you enjoy it and I will see you at the end. Today we are driving to Connecticut. I found a vintage flat file through Etsy and our friend Alex is giving us a ride. I'll finally be able to have a flat file for all my artwork, and it's beautiful. It's wooden, so I'll bring you folks along the way. Yay! The flat file is here. It looks so beautiful. We still need to make a part for it. So right now it's just this cloth and some carton. So Alex will make a top for the flat file and it's starting to look amazing. Yay! Did I already show you how beautiful the flat file is? It's a vintage Hamilton flat file. The top and the bottom drawer have these separation, but the ones in the middle are completely open, just like the ones I had before. It doesn't have... no se cierra. It needs a top because this was a middle part, so right now I just put this pretty flower cloth on top. So that's it for the meantime. I'm still waiting for some things to arrive for these shelves. And up there I will be putting the most magical thing ever, but I will show you that later. I'm going to be painting. I was commissioned this IG Reel for Urban Stems, which is a nursery here in New York. I believe they are in all the states, and they sent me a plant, so I am going to be painting their plant today. It is this beautiful golden photos back there. I moved my table so while filming the reel you can see my pegboard up there, the fungi painting, and then I will be painting here, so it'll give it a better background for the video making. The living room is looking a little funny. Let's start working on this IG reel and maybe get to rest a little later tonight. I'm just tuning in here to say, don't believe the YouTube hype. This is as much orders I pack sometimes, and this is a lot. So if you are an artist and sometimes are like, oh my God, all these YouTubers are shipping like thousands of orders every day, what am I doing wrong? I'm not one of those artists. This is like 12 orders, and this is a lot. Some days I only ship one a week. Some weeks I don't even have orders. So it's fine. Do it at your rhythm, do it your way, and the amount of orders that you get is okay. I know Eva will be like, why are you sharing this on your blog? But last night we watched Tenet, and Ivo is watching it right now for the third time. Let me show you how he's watching it. So that's Ivo right there under our bed cover, and that's the TV. And I don't understand why he's watching it this way. So Lavender sent me this gift. I've been waiting for this box for a few weeks now, and I really wanted to show you all the details it has besides the actual set that came with it. It's such a pretty packaging, all of it. Hi Caro, we hope you love our new Artist of Life launch set. An artist of life is someone who owns their power to envision and create their dream life. Therefore, we created this set in hopes that you will wear it as a reminder of your power as an artist of life. Your uniqueness and intentionality continues to inspire us here at Lavender. We can't wait to see you rock your new set. Stay creative, stay intentional, love, Lavender. I picked up the beige. ¿Cómo dice beige en inglés? I picked the beige set. Today I am making my fire element cacao because I will be painting the fire element today. Let me show you what it has. The ingredients are ceremonial grade cacao, Damiana, which I already have my Damiana tea ready right here, also black pepper and turmeric. Today is Friday, and yesterday I finished working on the digital versions of the elements for the air element, and those were hibiscus and cardamom. I started cardamom by hand because it's the first time that I'm working completely digitally. So I started by hand, I took a picture of that, and then I started working on it on Procreate, and I did these flowers as well as the fruits, the seeds, and I am pretty happy with how they turned around. I also worked on a digital version of hibiscus based on a watercolor hibiscus that I did before, and I really love how this one turned out. I believe that for hibiscus I'm only going to be doing this flower. I'm not going to be working on any other part of the hibiscus tree. And today I'm starting to work on the fire element. This morning I showed you how I prepared my fire cacao, and now I'm working on the plants of the fire element. Those are Damiana, turmeric, black pepper, and of course cacao. So I have this painting from Damiana that I already finished, as well as this gouache painting from turmeric that I also finished by hand. So I took pictures of those, and now I am working on making some digital adjustments and making the digital version of them. I'm still in that learning process of feeling comfortable of starting something digital and finishing digital. And after fire, I only have the earth element left, and that will be everything for the cacao packagings. So that is everything for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope it brought you some inspiration. If you like what you see here, feel free to subscribe to my channel to let me know what other videos you would like to see. I also invite you to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Minds, and in 2 weeks on Patreon as well. And if you are looking to open your first website or purchase a domain, make sure to use the code Caro Arevalo to get 10% of your first purchase with Squarespace. Until next time, I will see you soon. Bye!